Again, make sure you remove all rocks, bricks, roots, things like that. You want the clean fill dirt. And the best way to backfill, I'm going to show you a technique. You see how Francisco's rocking that little mini? You know, I'm not saying that as in a slang term. Literally, look at him. He's working that thing. This is the best. This is absolutely by far, as long as you don't have big rocks, you know, you don't want any of that, you know, the builder's burial ground. You know, if you're finding bricks and things like that, don't bury that. Haul that stuff away. Keep the dirt. Like, you see all that clean dirt? That's great. And I know most of the time it's clay, and that's fantastic. It packs real good. But you could work a mini excavator like that, guys, and now you're not going to get calls where the homeowner says, hey, I got some saddling. Remember, saddling is when it starts to dip in the trench. You don't need those callback, guys. Callbacks are money. They cost a contractor money, and running somewhere for free blows. We all know that. So just make sure, you know, when you're doing your backfill, be methodical about it. Do what you see Francisco doing. You know, we pick all the trash out, we take clean fill, and we got one track on the plywood, the other track right on the trench we dug, and we're backfilling. He's just working that in. And guys, this works. I'm telling you, we never have to go back. I think he got just a little bit carried away there, but you get the idea. All right, until the next video.